speak the sentence word by word. I am not dumb.
This is Polyramps production.
Block style. Eat 'em up, animality, beat 'em up, brutality. Take their life fatality, killing the mic actually. Outstanding, satisfactory, a creative mental factory. Firing so savagely, invading territories. Capitalizing communists, bars so deadly venomous. Horns like Vikings, devilish, precisely striking intelligence. God's son, I'm heaven sent, the holy script I acknowledge it. Society's fucked, no education, corruption is the population. Pollution in the oxygen, streets controlling presidents. Money is just an object. A warrior from Babylon, I'm taking over this Genghis Khan. Aspiring up 300, taking them out by the hundred.
What is your profession?
I'm a knight on a quest, on the mission already won. My words slay like swords and penetrate them like guns. I'm shining so bright that I'm retiring the sun. I'm shining so bright that I'm retiring the sun. Creative mental status, ripping the mic is just a habit. No need to practice, already have it. We're so perfectly packaged, so perfectly said. Rip the mic until I'm dead, that's a flat line, no phone book. I'm always off the hook, I'ma make it to the top. I'm the cream of the crop, fresh batch from the harvest. Eating bees cause I'm starving. I'm a Martian like Marvin, staying loony with these tunes and poetic 16s. Equipped with the clip that's extended with a grip, lighting you up just like a split. If I got it, lyrical habits calling static all the time. You love the way I rhyme, I'm doing this till I die. Blocks out representing, it's A1 on the mic. Central Valley living, shout out 559-661 and 805, still ripping the mic. I'm not dumb motherfuckers, I stay brighter than some lights. Blocks out all day.